Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Bingo Blitz application. Keep watching the video till the end. To update your Bingo Blitz application, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in Bingo Blitz and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Simply tap on the application. Now to update your application, click on Update option just below your application to begin the updating process. As you can see, there is no update available in my case, so I won't be able to do so. But if the updates are available, you can simply tap on Update option to update your application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.